Host: Hey there, folks. Get ready to take a nostalgic trip into the wild and wacky world of Woody Woodpecker, Party Popper. Host: He's the mischievous bird with the unforgettable laugh, and today, we're serving up 20 fascinating facts that'll make you appreciate this iconic character even more. Host: From his zany beginnings to his enduring legacy, you're about to discover the colorful and quirky history of Woody Woodpecker. Let's dive right in. 1. Woody's birth. Woody Woodpecker was born in 1940 when Walter Lantz and storyboard artist Ben Hardaway created him. He first appeared in a short film titled Knock Knock. 2. Name origins. The name Woody was inspired by an inside joke at Universal Pictures, where Lantz's wife, Gracie, had a Woody station wagon. 3. Voice evolution. Woody's distinctive voice, marked by his infectious laugh, was initially provided by voice actor Mel Blanc. Later, the role was taken over by Ben Hardaway, who used a sped-up version of his own voice. 4. Personality quirks. Woody Woodpecker is known for his mischievous and often troublesome personality. He's a free spirit who loves to tease and make people laugh. 5. Woody's signature laugh. That distinctive Woody Woodpecker laugh was created by Mel Blanc, who initially used it for the character. It became one of the most recognizable laughs in animation history. 6. Iconic design. Woody's design features a red head, a white feathered belly, and a bright yellow beak. His look is both memorable and simple, making him instantly recognizable. 7. Origin story. In Knock Knock, the first Woody Woodpecker cartoon, Woody was designed as a woodpecker causing trouble for a pair of strangers. He wasn't yet the friendly character we know today. 8. Trademark hairstyle. Woody's shock of red feathers on his head became a trademark feature. His hairdo looks like a messy crest, making him stand out in the world of animation. 9. Global popularity. Woody Woodpecker quickly gained popularity and became one of the most recognizable animated characters in the world. He's been featured in over 200 films. 10. Versatile character. Woody appeared not only in animated shorts but also in comic books, merchandise, and even theme park attractions. 11. Chilly Willy crossover. Woody made a memorable crossover appearance with another popular Lantz character, Chilly Willy the Penguin, in the 1957 short I'm Cold. 12. Theatrical cartoons. While many cartoons from this era were shorts before feature films, Woody Woodpecker starred in several theatrical cartoons of his own, like Woody Woodpecker in 1957. 13. Award-winning character. Woody won an Academy Award in 1948 for the short Woody Woodpecker. It was a major milestone for both the character and his creator. 14. Guest appearances. Woody has made guest appearances in other animated shows and films, including Who Framed Roger Rabbit and The Simpsons. 15. Comics and books. Woody's adventures extended to the world of comic books and children's literature, allowing fans to enjoy his antics beyond the screen. 16. Theme park attraction. Universal Studios Hollywood has a Woody Woodpecker ride known as Woody Woodpecker's Nuthouse Coaster, which brings the character to life in a theme park setting. 17. Different incarnations. Over the years, Woody's character evolved, taking on different personas in various cartoons. He could be a hero, a troublemaker, or even a protector of the forest. 18. Legacy lives on. Despite changes in the animation industry, Woody Woodpecker's legacy remains strong, with new adaptations, merchandise, and even a 2018 animated movie. 19. Trivia and catchphrases. Woody's cartoons are filled with clever wordplay and catchphrases that have become iconic, keeping fans entertained for generations. 20. Enduring popularity. Woody Woodpecker's timeless appeal endures, making him a beloved character for kids and adults alike. His laugh and antics continue to bring joy to audiences worldwide. These facts reveal the rich history and enduring charm of Woody Woodpecker, making him a beloved character in the world of animation.